Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can reset your Cloudflare account password. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. So first, you will go to your Cloudflare login page, and then you will click forgot password or forgot your password. So what you will do is just click that, and the next you will have to enter your email that is associated with your Cloudflare account. And once you've put it, you will just have to click this button right here, which is send, and then you will just have to check your inbox for a password reset email from Cloudflare, and be sure to also check your spam junk folder if it's not visible in your inbox. And then you will click the link in the email, which will take you to the reset page. Next, you will enter your new password twice and make sure that it meets the required criteria, which is at least 8 characters with numbers and symbols. And finally, you will just have to click reset password, and you can now log in with your new password and ensure all devices are updated. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.